So how to hide my contents in stereo. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to hide your contents in stereo. To hide your contents in stereo, all you need to do is open up the stereo. Once you open up the stereo, click on your profile in the bottom right corner right here. After clicking on profile in the bottom right corner, to hide your content right here, click on settings at the top right. After pressing on settings at the top right corner, you'll be located right here. Here you will see account right there, and just below account you will see privacy and security. Press on privacy and security. Here, as you can see right now, who can see content in my profile. Now as you can see right now, it is everybody, or you can move it to all registered users only. So only registered users are allowed to see your content right here, or you can put in people I follow and my contacts only. So there you go, the only people who will see your content is people you followed and your contacts only, or you can put it on nobody. There you go, as you see right there, nobody. Let's say put it on everyone. You're here, who can see my post in feed recommendation page and by search right there. You can put in nobody, but since there are videos to hide, we're gonna put in nobody, and who can see my post highlights, put in right here is nobody. Then right here, who can see my like post, there we go, and put in only me. So there you go guys, that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can type in the comment section below guys. We'll have to answer as soon as possible in here and here on Guide Glimpse. There you guys, and thank you guys.